most panels that are out there, unless we've replaced your panel, the breaker's supposed to trip to center position. They don't do it because the breakers are old, so they're still look like they're in an on position, but they're actually tripped and they're supposed to be in the middle position. And then you're supposed to turn it all the way off and then back on.
So just pushing it to make sure it's on isn't going to help.
It's not going to help.
You have to go all the way to the off position and then bring it back.
Yes, but our panels, we use a higher end panel. Our panels, when the breaker trips, it goes all the way to the off position. And then it has a little window that shows orange or red, whatever color it really is. And then you just flip it back on. So there's less steps and it's always going to pull. So you see that the breaker's in a different position than the others.